case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1967 Supreme Court case National Labor Relations Board v. Allis-Chalmers Manufacturing Company, the court considered whether unions can impose fines and disciplinary measures against their members for crossing a picket line during a strike without violating the members' rights. Employees of Allis-Chalmers Manufacturing Company in Wisconsin were represented by the United Automobile Workers, UAW, and engaged in authorized strikes, but some employees chose to cross the picket line and work. As a result, local UAW chapters imposed fines and legal action against these members for violating the International Union Constitution and bylaws. The central question was whether such actions violated the National Labor Relations Act, which guarantees employees the right to engage in concerted activities without being restrained or coerced. The Supreme Court analyzed the meaning of restrain or coerce in the Act and examined a proviso in Section 8(b)(1) that limits court enforcement of fines imposed by labor organizations. The court ultimately decided that the union's punishments for crossing picket lines during a strike did not violate the National Labor Relations Act. The power to fine members for strikebreaking was consistent with the Landrum-Griffin amendments and Congress's labor policy. Additionally, the court ruled that Section 8(b)(1) authorized court enforcement of fines imposed by labor organizations on full union members.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsc.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.